Auto drafting. Auto drafting can help designers create all 2D drawings of the model at one time. Click the Auto Drafting button in Tools tab. First, select the parts or assemblies by layers or filter. For example, you can select the parts or assemblies created by a specific designer. Check the Include Current Objects option. Then the selected parts or assemblies will be added in the list. Next, you can set the saving mode of the sheet and sheet name here. For example, define a suffix for the sheet name and update it to all the picked items. Then, their sheet names will be modified accordingly. Check the Same Setting for All Sheets option and change the sheet size of one of the parts or assemblies. Then, the sheet size of other parts or assemblies will be changed simultaneously. In the View tab, you can set the view attributes as you want, including the layout and the general settings. In the Dimension tab, select the views which need the dimension, and select dimension entities and types. The last tab is Table. Check the Enable BOM table, and select a location type, and define the position for the BOM tables. So far, everything is done. Click OK to generate all needed 2D drawings for the parts and assemblies automatically. The views, the dimensions, and the BOM tables are created in seconds. Instead of creating 2D drawings manually for a single part or assembly one by one, auto drafting significantly saves your time.